Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts. Today's adventure takes us into the cryptic realm of chronic wasting disease in deer. Brace yourselves as we dissect facts and fiction about this fascinating topic. Myth 1. Infected deer turn into real zombies, unveiling the reality. Contrary to popular belief, infected deer don't transform into flesh-eating zombies. However, their altered behavior patterns might seem eerily similar. Think peculiar swaying movements and extended periods of motionlessness. Truth 1. Causes and disease spread. The mystery of prions. Let's deep dive into prions. These misfolded proteins wreak havoc on the nervous system. More astonishingly, they have an uncanny ability to persist in the environment for an extended period, contaminating deer habitats across vast territories. Myth 2. Disease affects only deer, expanding the victim list. It's not an exclusive club. Did you know other species like elk and reindeer are also susceptible to this disease? Imagine a surprisingly diverse list of potential casualties. Truth 2. Ecological impact and wildlife. Ecosystems at stake. The dwindling deer population causes a ripple effect throughout the food chain. Picture the aftermath: disruptions in predator-prey relationships and alterations in the vegetation dynamics. Myth 3. Disease transmission to humans. Human risk? While there's no concrete evidence of direct transmission to humans, ongoing research is shedding light on potential risks. For instance, studies in various regions continue to explore the possibility of interspecies transmission. Truth 3. Prevention and control efforts. Battling the spread. Vigilant monitoring programs and movement restrictions are key strategies. Consider controlled culling initiatives aimed at reducing deer density in critical zones to curb disease propagation. Truth 4. Long-term effects on deer. Population. Demographic repercussions. The disease can drastically impact the future population of deer. Severe outbreaks lead to a significant decrease in found survival rates, posing a serious threat to the regeneration of deer populations. Truth 5. Challenges in early detection and diagnosis. Detecting before it's too late. Early diagnosis remains a significant challenge due to the disease's latency period. The current detection methods, which are expensive and complex, hinder early identification in wild deer populations. Myth 4. Direct transmission risk to humans. Human vulnerability? Despite concerns, there's no substantial evidence confirming human susceptibility to chronic wasting disease. However, the potential for interspecies transmission is a topic of ongoing research and concern. Myth 5. Geographic limitation of the disease. Not confined to boundaries. Initially believed to be regionally restricted, recent studies reveal its widespread distribution. Detection in multiple states and countries points to a broader and more complex challenge in controlling its spread. Stay safe from the zombie deer. Top tips to survive. 1. Avoid high concentration areas of infected deer. Unveiling the danger zones. These areas often include regions where the disease has been reported, such as Colorado or Wyoming in the U.S. and Saskatchewan in Canada. Avoiding these places reduces exposure to potentially infected deer herds. 2. Truth time. Recognize warning signs of the disease. Spotting the abnormalities. Keep an eye out for certain behaviors in deer, like excessive salivation, weight loss, and abnormal wandering or staggering. These might indicate the presence of the disease. 3. Fortify your defenses. Precautions to avoid contamination. Cooking for safety. When handling deer meat, ensure it reaches an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees 71 degrees C to eliminate any potential prions that might cause the disease. Proper cooking is your shield against risks. 4. Hunt safe. Testing and responsible handling. Test before touching. If you're a hunter, opt for getting your harvested deer tested. This is particularly crucial in areas where chronic wasting disease is prevalent. Additionally, avoid handling the brain or spinal cord tissues. 5. Control the spread. Support research and prevention efforts. Backing the battle. Show support for scientific research aimed at understanding and managing chronic wasting disease. Contributing to monitoring programs and advocating for preventive measures can aid in controlling its spread. 6. Protect and explore. Safely adventure with awareness. While exploring the outdoors, maintain caution in areas where the disease is prevalent. Enjoy nature, but stay alert to avoid direct contact with potentially infected deer or their bodily fluids. 7. Monitor your surroundings. Be vigilant. Stay aware. Stay safe. Keep an eye out for any unusual behavior or signs of illness in deer populations if you're in an area known for the disease. Being observant can help avoid contact with potentially infected animals. 8. Practice proper hygiene measures. Cleanliness is key. After handling deer, whether hunting or butchering, thoroughly wash your hands and disinfect equipment to minimize any potential transmission of the disease. 9. Educate others. Spread awareness. Sharing knowledge. Saving lives. Inform fellow hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone in regions with confirmed cases about the disease's signs and precautions. Education is a powerful tool in preventing the spread. Conclusion: implications for wildlife and beyond. The far-reaching consequences extend beyond deer populations. The implications for other wildlife species, the delicate interplay between predator and prey, and the broader impact on biodiversity emphasize the urgency of addressing this issue.